What is criminology and why it is important? Criminology is the scientific study of crime, and that studies why people commit crime and how crimes happen and how society can prevent them. And why do people commit crimes and how do crimes happen and how can crime be prevented? Criminology does not just look at law, it combines psychology, sociology, biology, and social environment to understand crime. In simple words, criminology studies the mind of the criminal and the causes behind crime. For example, it studies the why someone becomes a thief and why some people becomes violent and why some crimes repeat again and again and how childhood poverty, drugs or family affect crime and why is criminology important. Criminology is important because it helps society become safer and fairer and it helps to understand the criminals. Criminology shows that criminals are not always born bad. Many crimes happen because of poor childhood, mental health abuse, unemployment, social pressure. When we understand these causes, we can stop crime before it happens and it helps in preventing crime. Police and governments use criminology to identify high risk areas and understand criminal behavior, create better crime control strategies. So, these help reduce the theft, violence, cybercrime, drug abuse. It improves the justice system. The criminology helps courts and police treat criminals fairly, punish the right person, rehabilitate offenders, and avoid wrongful punishment. So, this makes the legal system more human and scientific.